everybody, welcome back. I am back trying to get this part of December daily done, and I got some things out, show you what I've been doing. I worked on the pages on the inside and the outside of the book, and I thought you could watch me. I figured out what I'm going to do for numbers. Didn't think I was going to. I've got some puffy paint. I have ink, red and black, and some striped washi. 2 punches. This is a 1 3/8 punch, and this is a little 1 inch, I think. It's a little teeny one. I got the punches, some glue. So I used that, and this is what I got left from the paper that I used, and I can probably still use that for some stuff. So let's show you what I did so far. Here's the front. I need to spruce it up a little bit. It needs more color. It needs like yellow and some other colors, but I managed to put some little gumdrops down there, and I made it so the door opens and there's a family of gingerbread people. And if you open this little window, you can see the face. I want to put something right here. I don't know what yet. I glued on the little handle. And then if you open up right here, you can see it doesn't open real good. But there's a little Christmas tree in there. And then on this side, down here, there's little gingerbread people. And there's nothing on the top one right here. I was just gonna color that in yellow under there. And I put some candy across and I put puffy paint right here. You can see the puffy paint. And a little bit on the chimney. I am going to go back through this and make it sparkly. It's missing some oomph. So I need to go back through with some glue and like do spots or whatever. I'm gonna have to do it with a brush and put glue on here and then sprinkle some sparkly. And the snowflakes are sparkly right there. And I made my little chimneys, my chimney smoke right there. This is gonna stay like that, and I just added this for the back of it. And then on the inside, here's that little gingerbread person I want to put on. I'm going to put Ariel's picture in there, and because I put my little calendar over here, but I thought this would be like a little flip. I'll put it on something where I can put it on here so it'll be a flip. And so I'll put that in here. And then these are blank, so if I need more space or whatever, I can do that. And I usually do a main page, but I won't use this piece. I'll use something else. So I did manage to go through and do put papers in. Now I haven't put numbers on here yet. That's what these are for. So what I'm gonna do is say this is page 1. I'm gonna put it down here in the corner. Right here. So I'm going to do that. And then page 2, 3, I'm going to go through the whole thing. Here's the first room that I want to decorate. I don't know if I'll get to this part of it, but I did put it in here. I put washi tape on the inside right here. And so each one of these has a little blank spot for the number. And then when I get to these ones, I'll have to put it like in a corner somewhere, or like right here or something. And then there's another spot. I want to make a couple of shaker pages, inserts in here, but I did manage to, I'm gonna go back through and flip because there's certain days where I want things to happen. Like that first or second weekend of December, we do the gingerbread house. So I need to figure out the exact date, and then I can put that number because I've got like, there's a gingerbread page, like right here, this one. That would be like the gingerbread thing, you know. So there's I got all the pages started. December 25th has a big 25 on here. And that's usually going to get a lot of pictures. So I put my extra things behind here. So that I can put more Christmas pictures in there for that. This one should be on the 24th. That should go over here. And I may switch it. I may switch it and put 24 over here. So I may switch that around. But for the most part it's done, and where I'm not sure where the numbers are going to go, I don't really want to adhere them down. So I'm thinking I'm going to make a little card for each of these, 25 cards. And I think I have a bunch of cards right here. I prefer to use something I already have, but I have a bunch right here, and there's some front and back, you know, so it's pretty. That, you know, say number 1 would be right here. Just put that on here, and then I can journal or something on the other side, and I can stick that on here, you know, number 1. That's what I'm going to do, because I don't know if I have to move the pages around. So that is everything for this. And then I have to do is put my calendar on the inside right here, and then just wait for pictures. But it's done, other than, you know, I gotta finish some, like the rooms and the front here. I want to make it more snowy looking. So that's what I had in mind. So I kind of wanted it to pop out, but too much to think of. But I think this is cute. The little person's right there. You open the window, open the door, and the little people are here. I'm gonna have to glue these down because they're not gonna stay stuck. They're not gonna stay stuck, so I'll have to glue them down. And I didn't want to put Velcro on here, but it pops. And then you got the little tree in this window, and then you got the little men right here. I think that's cute. I should probably put something inside here. I cut these guys out, and I probably could do that again and just stick them in there. So I may do that again and put a couple more little guys right here. So I just got a couple of gluing things to do, and put the numbers on the cards. I gotta make sure I have 25 of them. I got 18, and there's some in here that I can use, and that'll use up most of my stuff. So I may use a couple of these bigger ones. Might use some of these bigger ones, maybe. I'll cut them to fit, you know. Yeah, I can do that. Use some of those. So we'll figure it out. So that's all I got left to do, guys. That's it until pictures and be able to put them in there. Which, from record, is I do that, but I don't sit down with it. So we'll see. And yeah, so that is everything for December Daily so far. And I hope you enjoyed this long video. And we will see you again soon. Bye.